Comment posting, a power blog promoting technique. You keep on hearing bloggers marvel about the wonderful benefits of leaving comments on other blogs, but you've yet to try the tactic yourself. If you still aren't sure about the wisdom of following their steps, here are a few reasons that could convince you to take that final step. Show your expertise. Everyone prefers to listen to an expert than an amateur. With an expert's advice, you spend your time wisely and get to learn something in return. Unfortunately, there isn't always an opportunity to show your expertise. As such, you have to create the opportunity for yourself once in a while, and you can do that by leaving comments on other people's blogs. Try spending a few minutes visiting other people's blogs. Go around the blogging community, and once you've found some questions you're very much in the position to answer, go ahead and share your wisdom. Giving advice whenever it's solicited is so much better than bragging, don't you think? Show your charm, eloquence, and wit. People can be terribly greedy. To please them, you not only have to be intelligent but you have to be articulate and witty too. If you had a choice between visiting the blog of an extremely smart but humorless internet marketer and one who's moderately smart but witty, which blog would you choose? Many would choose the latter, don't you think? Now that you know what's demanded of you, the next thing to do is determine how to prove that you indeed have all those great qualities. Again, you do that by leaving comments on other people's blogs. It's very important not to overdo your bit when you're out to display your wit. While providing excessive information can be seen as simply being detailed, being too funny could make other people you're trying too hard to be so. There's a right time, place, and reason to be funny. Make sure you know when such moments occur. Reciprocate. If other people left comments on your blogs, you owe it them to return the favor. Technically, you're not obliged to do so, but good business dictates reciprocity. And it's really not that bad. Leaving comments on each other's blog regularly will soon lead to link exchanges, another factor that can generate more traffic for your respective blogs. If you continue to nurture your partnership after that, it can lead to even greater collaborations that would benefit both of you. How to make your comments effective for internet marketing. All three reasons below are able to achieve the same goal: catch your target market's attention and make them visit your blog. To increase your chances of success, you must make sure that your comments follow the tips below. Write courteously. Remember the usual rules of courtesy when you're posting a comment on someone else's blog. Don't be argumentative. Not everyone welcomes a debate, so if you truly believe that there's a need for you to propose an opposing view, make sure you do so politely, and be very clear in saying that you only wish to express your opinion and nothing else. Don't forget to link. Lastly, remember to provide a link to your blog whenever you leave a comment. This may be standard procedure, but a lot of first-time bloggers still end up forgetting to do so. If you don't want to risk losing any opportunity, never forget to post your link.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.